Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Cocoa lovers and brownie lovers will love these cookies. Uncomplicated brownie cookies will be made in the recipe made with simple ingredients that are in every home. 4 eggs, 250 grams of margarine or butter, 1 glass of 200 milliliters liquid oil, 3 cups sugar, 3 packs of 30 grams of baking powder in total, 2 packs of 10 grams of vanilla, 100 grams cocoa, non-dense, 1 glass of water, 200 milliliters, 1,400 grams of flour, some nutmeg, 3 glasses of sugar and 4 glasses of water required for sherbet. Add 3 cups of sugar to the pot. Add 4 glasses of water, mix, you can use boiling water. Boil the syrup, and after boiling for 3 minutes you can put it in front of the window to cool. Add the eggs. Add sugar. Mix until it turns a little white. 70 or 80 brownie cookies will be made with the ingredients here. Add a glass of water. Add sunflower oil and mix until sugar dissolves. Add margarine. Add the baking powder and vanilla to the dough. Add flour. Add half of the flour first, you can add the rest of the flour while kneading. Add cocoa. You can start kneading the brownie dough. Add the dough from the kneading bowl to the counter and knead by pressing. You will get a dough that does not stick to your hands and takes shape easily. You can transfer the syrup into a larger bowl to cool. Roll the dough thinly. Divide the dough into equal pieces that fit in the palm of your hand. Roll it a little in your palm and press it a little and place it on the baking tray. Place the dough slightly spaced apart. You do not need to use baking paper, these doughs do not stick to the tray. If you add it to the cold oven, it will cook in 15 minutes, 12 minutes in the preheated oven will be enough, the temperature of 170 degrees. The top of the brownie cookies will be cracks like this. Add the brownies to the sherbet and take it out, add some coconut on it and place it on the tray. Three to 4 seconds of syrup will be enough. After removing it from the syrup, pour some more syrup on it so that the coconuts will completely adhere to the brownie cookies. You can use the remaining syrup later. Yes, you can practically make this recipe at home. If you make half of the ingredients, you can make 40 brownie cookies, and if you divide it into 4, you can make 20 brownie cookies. Great snacks that are not dry inside, those who love cocoa flavor must try. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.